Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Misai Lopez and in this video we're going to learn about the American vowel sound A. First, we need to know what is the importance of teaching phoneme awareness. Well, according to Jane, Marion and others, in 2022, phonemic awareness activities strengthen and sharpen phonological processing and therefore are crucial for many students who are beginning to read as well as struggling readers. As I said before, in this video we're going to learn about the American vowel sound A. We will be using a special phonetic symbol. This one. It is. The vowel sound A is specific to English, so the majority of languages don't have this vowel sound. That is the reason why many people disturb the vowel sound A or replace it with other vowels. Let's learn how to pronounce this vowel sound the right American way.
Okay, to pronounce the A sound, you should focus on the correct position of your tongue and jaw. Open your mouth as wide as possible. Slightly spread your lips and tense them. Tense your tongue, flatten it, and push it forward. Your tongue should be positioned very low in your mouth. The tip of your tongue should be touching the back of your bottom front teeth. Remember, the A is a very open vowel sound.
Now, let's try saying it. Everybody, please repeat after me. A. A. Very well. Now, let's practice this sound in some words. At, and, very well. Okay, now we're going to do a short practice. So, here we go. A. Number 1, apple. Number 2, ago. Number 3, got. Which word has the vowel sound A? The first one, the second one, or the third one? Yes, you are right. The first one, apple. B. Number 1, arrive. Number 2, ankle. Number 3, soft. Which word has the vowel sound A? The first one, the second one, or the third one? Yes, it is the second one. C. Number 1, ash. Number 2, power. Number 3, from. Which word has the vowel sound A? The first one, the second one, or the third one? It is, yes, the first one, ash. So you did a phenomenal job. Thank you so much for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe and see you. Take care. Have a good one.